Yeah. All right, so we're gonna get an escort to the. Whoa! Where's my keys? That's the only thing. So yeah, over there we've got the old waterfall, and that is China over the other side. So check it out. What do you reckon if you accidentally fell in?
They would let you drown.
So right here behind me is China, and right in front of me is Vietnam. Here's the belly of the beast. We're getting so close. We're almost entering the country. So I've never actually been to China yet. Should tick it off today. Don't tell me we're stuck on China.
What is the man doing? Provoking China, not a good
He's
idea.
provoking, he is provoking China. That's a little close for comfort. So you've probably got all this surveillance stuff at the top here. Like, what are these? Are these lookout points or are these watchtowers? To be honest, this is probably the way that people come down on the other side. Because it looks like access is actually worse on the other side for China. But yeah, pretty cool. A pretty incredible thing to come and see. I think one of the best waterfalls I've seen anyway. So yeah, no swimming allowed. Which is a bit of a shame really, as it looks pretty clear to swim in, and it looks like it'd be just kind of what I want at the minute, because it's baking hot. I kind of want to cool off a little bit.